My name is Ivy, and this is my personal project for my bootcamp program. Um, and the topic I'm doing today is running planner. So, why did I want to work on this idea? So, I got into running this past year and wanted to make a practical tool that I can use regularly to plan my training and also friends in the run club can use. Wanted to experiment with the Strava API to make the features that only the premium membership offers. And also, before I made this tool, I used Google Calendar to plan my runs, but it doesn't have the features for setting goals or viewing progress. So, here are some of the features that you can expect when you're stumbling upon the app. So, the first thing that you could do when you first log in through Google Authentication is to connect to your Strava account. And then next, if you're a new user, then you want to create a training program for your next race. Next, you can plan your runs ahead of time by adding events to the event calendar. So, in addition to that, you can also set weekly distance progress, weekly distance goals, and then see how your progress compares every week. And you can also see if your goal for an event is hit based on your Strava data for that day. Finally, you can see your monthly stats through the monthly recap, and you can also view your most recent activities for running. Demo time. So this is what the webpage looks like when you're first going into it, and then this is the view before you log in. So now I want to log in through Google. Once I'm logged in, the first thing I want to do if I'm a new user is I want to click on Connect with Strava, and then it just authorizes your Strava data so the website can use it. And then you click on Authorize, and then you go to the homepage. So if you're a new user, you probably don't have any programs under existing programs, so you want to create a new program. And then for this one, you can set like your race name that you want to be the name of the race that you want to be training for. So for this one, I'll set Taipei Half Marathon, and then for race date, I'll put like December 22nd, and then for race time goal, which is the number of hours you want to complete the race in, you can just put it here. Once you click on save information, it'll render a card below. And next, you can put the training program link, which is the dates you want to be training, the start date and the end date you want to be training the program. So for this one, I'll start training, or I started training on the 14th of October, and I'll go until maybe the 11th of November. So that'll be 4 weeks total. And the cards are rendered below here, and I click on finish, and I can start setting the goals, the weekly distance goals I want for every week of the program. So the first week I want to do 25, the second week I want to do 25, third week I might want to do 30, and then for the fourth week I might want to do 25. And then if you want to edit any of these, you can just edit it here. I'll just update it. And then over here is the calendar. So as you can see, here are some buttons for the weeks. So if you click on week 1, it'll have a progress bar, which gets the total number of KMs that you ran for that week. And then it's out of the goal that you have set for that week. So for this particular week, which is from the 14th to the 20th, I've ran 10.16 km out of the 20 km that I have set for myself. And then, so now I can add an event. So if I want to add an event on the 22nd, I can go here, and then I'll just do Hoka run, and then my distance goal is 5K, and then I'll keep it moderate, and then this will be intervals, and then I can put any workout details here. Once you click on save, it'll show up in the calendar below, and then since this is in the future on the 22nd, and you haven't actually ran the run in the Strava data yet. So it'll say did not reach goal, but if you actually did hit the 5 km goal, it'll show up as a check mark as it does here. Like that. So next we can see the activities page, which just gets the most recent activities that you have from Strava. And then if you click on see activity on Strava, it will take you to the activity page, which is what Strava requires for their API for every activity to link back to their original page. And then if you go on to recap, you can see your monthly stats, which has the fastest run, longest run, your average pace for the month, and also your total distance for the month. And over here, the two charts are just pace distribution for every single one of your runs, and then distance progression for every single one of your runs that month. Okay, and then that is it. If you want to click on any of the other existing programs, they would be here. And then if you want to edit them, you can click on edit button. And then if you want to delete it or archive it forever, then you can click on delete program, and then it'll have a confirm delete pop up. Yep, and that is my presentation, my demo. Thank you.